Never waste your money on things you don't need. Texting her, and because quick pleasures fade, but financial stress like nothing is happening, and the silence don't try to impress people with expensive stuff. But the truth is that because true confidence comes from who you are. Silence is not lack of emotion. Never spend money you don't have. It's the moment when real emotions show up, because it traps you and takes away your freedom. Don't ignore saving clearly while the other begins to work. Because a calm and stable one who stays calm has small, real power, consistent choices in today's world. And never let emotions control your constant messages and attention. Because when you act from impulse, silence breaks that pattern and lose control of both your money and your peace. When communication stops, the silence becomes a mirror that shows you your own emotions. And this is where Stoicism helps, because it teaches control, clarity, and honesty. Silence is honest because it has no manipulation or begging for attention. When you stop texting her, your ego and your peace start fighting. Your ego wants to reach out, but your peace tells you to wait and stay calm. Most men lose control here because silence reveals how attached they are, and they start overthinking. But she is in her own silence too, going through her own cycle. First she feels relief, then curiosity, then doubt, and finally she starts missing the attention she once had. People with avoidant behavior only notice your value when you stop chasing them, because your distance removes the ego boost they used to get from you. Silence is not weak. It is active and powerful because it resets the emotional balance and shifts the dynamic. Attraction changes depending on who breaks the silence first, and the one who stays silent is not cold but confident because they know their worth without needing constant contact. When you stop chasing fake connection and start focusing on yourself, your silence becomes a mirror that reveals the truth about the other person. If she truly cares, she will notice your absence and reach out, but if she only wanted attention, she will look for it somewhere else. Silence shows the truth faster than words, and that is the Stoic advantage, the strength to stay calm while everything else changes. Your silence is not weakness. It's emotional control. When you both stop talking, your mind will want closure and want to fix things. But real closure comes from accepting the situation, not from talking about it. If someone values you, they will feel your absence without you having to explain your worth. Silence is not used to punish, but to protect your peace. You are not ignoring anyone to be manipulative. You are respecting yourself enough to stop proving your value to someone who already knows it. When you stop reaching out, you are not losing them. You are finding yourself again. In real life, this means you should fill the silence with purpose, not anxiety. Work on your body, your mind, and your goals, not to impress them, but to remember who you are without them. Each time you choose not to text, you teach yourself that peace feels better than chasing. This shift in your energy becomes noticeable, and your silence becomes powerful, not desperate. She may start wondering why you're no longer texting, and whether you were the one who had the strength all along. Because silence creates mystery, and mystery builds attraction. But Stoicism teaches that silence is not a trick to get her back. It's a path to get yourself back. As you grow from within, you stop chasing results and instead live in calm confidence. And that is what makes people naturally come toward you. So ask yourself, if you both stop talking right now, would silence make you feel peaceful or would it reveal your dependence? That answer is your truth. Many people fear silence because it forces them to face themselves, but a Stoic accepts it. True peace comes from within, where no message or rejection can shake you. So when communication stops, don't panic or chase. Let silence show the real story. Because silence is not the end. It is the beginning of your transformation.